Hello, this is Dr. Pavan Murdeshwar. I'm a plastic surgeon. I've done my MBBS, MS and MCS plastic surgery from Bangalore, and I do practice at Motherhood Indranagar as a cosmetologist. A deep cut on face, it's not as simple as it is. I do get many of the queries regarding the same, but as a plastic surgeon I can say it's not a simple one. Usually the face has 9 aesthetic subunits which we divide into, and while repairing one, it shouldn't encroach over the another subunit, so that has to be taken care. Further, it requires cleaning and a thorough wash of the wound is necessary, which will remove all the dirt which is in the wound. This will prevent the further tattooing of the wound, what we call, if any dirt remains inside the wound. After that, the wound is being closed in multiple layers by using the suture materials which are as thin as the thickness of the hair. So this will give a proper wound approximation. The edges will be approximated and a proper wound can be treated. Apart from that, the new studies have also shown injecting the Botox under the wound as well as applying the steri-strips over the wound helps in reducing the tension over the wound, and this will again prevent the further scar formation. And the post-procedure treatment, which requires the removal of the sutures as early as 5 days, and the sun protection is as important for preventing the scar formation as it is.